Welcome back. Now MPT is on terror radar. Sources in the intelligence agencies have said that Murmugaon Port Trust is facing terror threat. However, MPT Chairman P. Mara Pandiyan has denied any threat but has agreed that security at the port has been beefed up.
After 3 churches in the state, now MPT is on terror radar. Sources say that Central Intelligence Bureau has conveyed the input to the MPT. We spoke with the chairman of MPT, P. Mara Pandiyan. He denied any terror alert. However, he said that security has been beefed up at the spot. Sources in MPT have confirmed that one more patrolling vessel has been added in the security arrangements at the port.
As it is, we don't have any information, but since it's a port area, we always take precautions to ensure the security of the port area. And we have our own force, the CSF force, who keep patrolling all the vulnerable area. And we post men day and night. And also we got a CCTV camera. And sitting at any particular point, we can just see the total port area, intruders, anyone coming inside. And we got a total command over the total port security. There should not be any problem.
Murmugaon has very vital installations in the vicinity of MPT. Indian oil tanking, Zuari tanking, multi-fuel pipeline, international airport, Goa shipyard and naval base. Murmugaon Port Trust is fully under the protection of Central Industrial Security Force. MPT security was in controversy due to Khariwado jetty. Sources in the CISF have said that they have beefed up the security arrangements. Our reporter Basuri Desai and Surendra Madkekar for Prudent Media.
GCCI's IT Education and Training Academy will be operational in early 2012. The academy is GCCI's project in collaboration with the CMC Limited, a Tata Enterprises. GCCI President Mangirish Raikar says the academy has already interviewed 169 students and 8 students have sought admission.
169 students have been counselled in our Verna office where the new training facility is going to start. Out of them already 8 registrations have started coming in, and we expect that these batches of 30 would be filled within no time, and it will start from next month.
The academy at Verna will enable qualified students as well as working professionals from various institutes in Goa. This will help them to make their career in the IT industry.
The mission was to start, and we had a modest goal of converting people into entrepreneurs, self-employed, so that they become job givers instead of job seekers. We have tied up with Dissociation Society after my meeting with the Archbishop, and we are going to start a course called Saksham. We will get the infrastructure from the dissociation schools. We have requested them to give us some teachers who will be trained to train these dropouts who will be taken in, and then they would be trained, they will be made cyber savvy.
Chamber is trying to bring in good and eco-friendly project investments which will earn good revenue for the state and create job opportunities for the IT students. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar.
People from Menkure village in Bicholi Taluka have restricted Health Minister Viswajit Rane's entry in their village. They claim that they will not allow him to hold any meeting in their village. Viswajit Rane and Rajesh Patnekar were supposed to address a meeting at Menkure village, but after sensing this situation, the meeting was cancelled.
Villagers of Menkure in Bicholi Taluka were seen with black flags. They were protesting against Viswajit Rane's entry in their village. They have directly said that they don't want Viswajit Rane to hold any meeting in their village. Rane and former Bicholi MLA Rajesh Patnekar were supposed to address a meeting at Menkure on Sunday, but the meeting was called off as soon as they got a hint about the protest in the village.
ही फक्त ही जी त्याची आई फटिंग बनाता ही फटिंग बना जी वाळपण केलंय ही ह्या मिरकुरे गावाने तिकडे तालुक्यात सरपंचनं इतक्याच त्याच्या प्रवता दिवपाक आम्ही हे तुझा निषेध केला होता हो जो नॉट कॅप्चर करपाक होता म्हाका सगळे गव्हर्नमेंट आणि लोकांक विकते घेतलेले आसा माझे सगळे ठामपणे एक आरोप आसा की ही जी नाटका करता न्ही तो ताका वाळपय करपाक सांग हे मेनकुरचे लोक इतले राजा झालेले ना की ते पयशांच्या हाताचेर हाच्या कडे आज येतले आणि हाच्या पाया कडे गवगडले प्रत्येक
प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीतून 100 नोकऱ्यांची हमी दिता. आता बापायन का हाणी छापलेले आसा नोकऱ्यो का झेरॉक्स मारता नोकऱ्यो
हे सगळे माझ्याच म्हणून हांव सांगता फाल्यां मनशाक तिकीट मारी आणि जर तो विश्वजीत महाराज घेऊन येयला न्हू ताका ह्या गांवांतसून हांव म्हाजे तांकां धांवडे घालतलो हे तुमकां आश्वासन दिता. तुम्ही आसतले म्हणटले न्हू मला फाल्यां मनशाक तिकीट मेळ्ळी तर माझा बाबा म्हणून उपकार केला सगळे ताका धांवडे घालूंक जाय. हो बाबा खोटो आमचो नाका हांगा मेळूंक.
Later, they held a protest march in the village. Our reporter from Menkure, Uday Parab.
Two thieves were caught red-handed by Verna police. They were caught while robbing brass articles worth 25,000 rupees from a ship at Kuttare. Verna police are investigating the case.
Deepu Kumar Srivastav and Deva Sahani, both aged 28, were caught red-handed while robbing brass articles worth 25,000 rupees from a shipyard at Thana Kortali. They are residents of Thana Kortali and natives of Uttar Pradesh. Verna police are investigating the case further. Our reporter from Verna, Surendra Markekar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.